it was possible to watch videos in picture-in-picture on YouTube's mobile website through Safari until YouTube canceled it. And most likely they're just pushing people to buy a premium subscription. But there is now another method or workaround that will help us to use the picture-in-picture on YouTube. So first of all, you just go to the YouTube on Safari, and we gotta make sure we are on not mobile side. We need to be on the desktop side. So it says request mobile website, and I just wanted to make sure it's request desktop site. So I just want to use the desktop website instead of using the mobile website. So once you get this, and we have YouTube on Safari and desktop version, and I'm gonna go to the shortcut app, which is default app on iPhone right now. We're just gonna create the shortcut, and I do have one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this and show you how to create the shortcut. First of all, you see the plus icon at the right top corner, and click action, go to the web, and then scroll down, run JavaScript on web page, and you see the run JavaScript on web page blue web page. You go click on it, and then you hit shortcut input. Once you get the shortcut input, I will delete this code. I will replace it with another code. Here we go. Select all, delete it, and I'm just gonna replace it with my code. Here we go. Okay, and I will paste over here, and I have created a new script, and I'm just gonna go to these three dots, and shortcut name YouTube picture-in-picture. Okay, and then show in share sheet types. You need to deselect all but Safari web pages, and you go back to the details and click done, and you created a YouTube pip right now. So let's see if it's gonna work or not on YouTube picture-in-picture mode. I'm just gonna go to the YouTube again, make sure it's on desktop website, not the mobile website. I'm sure it's desktop website. I'm just gonna go ahead and open one video. Which one? Okay, it doesn't matter. Let me open this. Okay, here we go. And you go to the share button, and at the bottom of the share icon you see the YouTube pip, and yes, allow. Okay, you click one more time. Let's see what is happening. Okay. Let's try one more time. There you go. It comes up. That's what you see. Here you go.
This is the home of one forest creature that has lived here in the Congo for 44 million years.
Screen, picture-in-picture mode, and then you can do anything you would like to. I just want to go ahead and read some news at the same time. So you see the YouTube
These
video
birds mate for
playing
life,
there.
and the male
You can go
reaffirms the
ahead
bond by
and do
displaying to
whatever
the
you would like to
female.
do on your phone as you
They're
watch
building
the
a
video
mud
as well.
nest
So you
on the
can just
underside
move
of the boulder's overhang,
the
where it'll be
aside,
protected
and then
from the
you will see
rain.
on the right corner, which is
The
arrow,
female takes the
and
lead.
it can play in the background too, and you can bring it on, and you can do whatever you need to do, whatever you have, and social media you want to go work on the social media, anything you would like to do on your phone. At the same time, the YouTube video keeps playing on your screen, and that's all how you make your picture-in-picture mode in YouTube on your iPhone. I hope
The
it will
male
help you
doesn't
guys.
seem quite so
Thank you for
skillful.
watching.